This move-in ready 4-bedroom home is open and bright newer fully equipped kitchen 2021 with white cabinets, granite countertops, stainless appliances and 5-burner convection oven. Spacious living room with newer flooring. Dining room with newer flooring and sliding doors out to 14 by 14 composite deck. Updated full bath on main floor with ceramic floor and tub surround. Nice size bedrooms with plenty of closet space. Huge, 24 by 15. Finished family room with gas ventless fireplace. Newer furnace and air conditioner. Lower floor includes 4th bedroom, 2nd full bath, mud room and laundry room. Large private fenced-in backyard with woods to the rear close to Route 19, park and ride to the city and Denny Park.